Good morning, Tulip friends. Okay, are you ready to sing hello? Hello, cha cha cha. Hello, cha cha cha. Hello, and how are you? Cha cha cha. I'm fine, cha cha cha. I'm fine, cha cha cha. And I hope that you are too, cha cha cha. Okay, guys, so let's get started with our calendar. So who can remember the name of our month? What month are we in? We are in the month of June. So can we say June, June? Good. We're in the month of June. We're in the month of June. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. We're in the month of June. We're in the month of June. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Very good. Let's count how many days we have so far in June. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. What number comes after 17, friends? Good. It is 18, which is a 1 and an 8. Can we say 18? 18. So today is June 18th. And what year is it? It is 2020. So today is June 18th, 2020. So what day of the week it is? Let's figure it out. So yesterday was Wednesday, right? We had our small group. Yesterday was Wednesday. Now let's figure out what today is. We have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. What day comes after Wednesday? Good, it's Thursday. Can we say Thursday? Thursday. Today is Thursday. Now let's figure out what tomorrow will be. We have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. What day comes after Thursday, friends? Good, it's Friday. Can we say Friday? Friday. Tomorrow will be Friday. Very good. So let's go over the letters we've been learning about. What letter is this, friends? Good, it's the letter S. What sound does S make? S says s, s, like snake, right? Remember it's our snake sound? So can we say S, 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 s? Good. What letter is this? What letter is this, guys? Good, it's the letter R. What sound does R make? R says r, r, like r, r, red, r, r, red. Good, could we say R, 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 r? What letter is this? It's the letter U. What sound does U make? U says like umbrella, umbrella. So could we say U, And speaking of U, that's awfully sorry. What letter is this? It's the letter Q, right? And remember, there's a reason I just said U. What letter does Q always stick with? Right, Q and U stick together like glue, right? They're always next to each other. And what sound do they make? They say qua, qua. Can we say that? Qua, qua, like qua, qua, question. Qua, qua, question. So could we say Q, Q, qua, qua? Good. And then our last letter. What letter is this? What letter is this, guys? Good, it's the letter T. What sound does T make? T says ta, ta, like ta, ta, turtle. Ta, ta, turtle. Good. So can we say T, T, ta, ta? Good. So let's go over our sight word. It is C-A-N. What does C-A-N spell? Good. This spells can. Could we say can? Can, like, can you jump really high? So can you guys think of a sentence for can? Good. Could we say can? Can. Now, we're going to go over our word family. Our word family for this week is the O-T word family, right? And the ending O-T says opt. So let's add our letters. Our first one, what letter is this? The letter H. What sound does H make? H says ha, ha. And then we're going to add opt. So we have ha, opt, ha, opt, ha, opt. What do you guys hear? Hot, right? Like it's really hot in the summer. Hot. What letter is this? So letter L. What sound does L make? L says L, L. And then we're going to add ot. So we have L, ot, L, ot, L, ot. What does that spell? It spells lot, right? Like we have a lot of books. Can we say lot, lot? Good. Now let's do our next one. What letter is this? So letter N. What sound does N make? N says no, no. And then we're going to add ot. So we have no, ot, no, ot, no, ot. What do you hear? Not, right? Like it is not winter anymore. Not. Good. Our next one. What letter is this? So letter D. What sound does D make? D says duh, duh. And then we're going to add ot. So we have duh, ot, duh, ot, duh, ot. What do you hear? That is dot, right? Like polka dots. Can we say dot, dot? What letter is this? So letter G. What sound does G make? G says go, go. Then we're going to add ot. So we have go, ot, go, ot, go, ot. What does that say? Got, like I got a toy from the store. Could we say got, got? And then our last one. What letter? Ooh, I'm totally blocking it. What letter is this, guys? Good. It's the letter P. What sound does P make? P says p, p. And then we're going to add ot. So we have p, ot, p, ot, p, ot. What do you hear? Pot, like a pot of pasta. Good. Could we say pot, pot? So remember, all of our words rhyme, right? Because they have the same ending. Anything with the same ending is going to rhyme. So can you guys repeat after me? We have ot, ot, hot, hot, lot, lot, not, not, dot, dot, got, got, pot, pot. There you go, guys. Awesome. So let's go over the math stuff we've been learning. What number is this, guys? This is the number 19. Could we say 19, 19? And what number is this? This is 20. Could we say 20, 20? Good. So we have 19, 19, 20, 20. Very good. Awesome. Those are our two numbers of the month. So let's go over the colors we've been learning this week. And remember, guys, we're talking about mixing colors, right, for our transformation unit. And when we mix them together, we got a new color. So let's start with our first color for the week. What color is this, guys? Good. This is black. Can we say black, black? Good. This is black. What color is this? And this is white. Can we say white, white? Good. So what happens when we mix black and white together? What color do we get? Do you remember? Good. We get this guy. We got gray. Good. Can we say gray, gray? Black and white mixed together made gray. Very good, guys. So we're going to talk some more about shapes. First, we're going to go over our shape of the month, and then I'm going to play a little shape game with you guys. So first, this is our shape of the month. What shape is this, guys? It's a pentagon. Good. Could we say pentagon, pentagon? And how many sides does pentagon have? It is 5 straight sides, right? Could we say 5 straight sides? 5 straight sides. So I'm just going to pause this real quick, and I'm going to set up our little math game. We're going to play a matching game with shapes. Okay, friends, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold up a shape, okay? And then you guys are going to use your finger to point on your screen at which shape is the same, okay? Carefully, okay, don't like smash your computer. Carefully point to the one that's the same. So this is my first shape. Do you guys see one of these that match? Where do you see a match? Do you see it? Good. So first of all, let's talk about what shape is this? What do we call this, guys? Yeah, it's a triangle. And how many sides does it have? All right, we have 1, 2, 3 straight sides. So we know it's a triangle with 3 straight sides. So how do we find our match? Well, we need something with 3 straight sides. Does this have 3 straight sides? No, it's curved, right? This is our circle. It's curved sides, so that doesn't work. Does this work? Well, it has straight sides, but it has 1, 2, 3, 4 straight sides. Not a match. That's a square. What about this guy? We have 1, 2, 3 straight sides. So they're both triangles, right? They're both a match. They both have 3 straight sides, so they are both triangles. Very good. Let's see if we can make another match. This time I'm going to add another shape too. Okay. Let's see if you guys can make a match with our next shape. Just dropped it. Okay. Which shape is this? What shape is this, friends? Can you point to its match? Which one matches? Where's its match? Good. So, first of all, what shape is this? This is a circle. How do we know it's a circle? Well, it has curved sides, right? So let's figure out which shape is its match. So we need something that's a circle with curved sides. Does this have curved sides? No, right? We have 3 straight sides here. Doesn't work. Triangle. Does this have curved sides? No, right? We have 4 straight sides. That's a square. What about this guy? This has curved sides, and it's also what? Round. We know they're both circles, right? Because they have curved sides and they're round. Let's just make sure our last answer doesn't work. What about this guy? Does this work? No, right? What shape is this? Rectangle, right? 4 straight sides. No curved sides doesn't work. So these are both circles because they have curved sides and they are round. Let's see if we can match another shape. Okay, can we find the match for this shape? Did you find it? Yeah, very good. So what shape is this? This is a square, right? How do we know it's a square? Well, it has 1, 2, 3, 4 straight sides. And also, what else does it have 4 of? Right, it has 1, 2, 3, 4 corners that are what? Right angles. So there's 4 corners that are right angles. And what else does this shape have? All the sides are the same, right? So let's find another shape that has 4 straight sides, 4 right angles, and are all the same, that are squares. Let's start with this guy. Is this a match? No, right? It is 1, 2, 3 straight sides. What about this one? Is this a match? No, right? It has curved sides. It's a circle. Here's where it's going to get tricky. I'm going to pull these 2 away. You'll leave 2 answers left. Which one's the match? What about this guy? Does this match? Well, it has 1, 2, 3, 4 straight sides and 1, 2, 3, 4 right angles. So that matches. But why is this not a match? Why do these 2 not match, friends? What does this not have? Yeah, all the sides are not the same, right? We have a big side here and a little side here. So these sides are not the same. So this is a rectangle and it does not match. I just realized, guys, sorry for all the guinea pig hair on the table. Sorry. So this does not match. It's a rectangle. This one, does this match? Yeah, right? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 straight sides. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. But this one has all the sides are the same. So it is a square and it matches. This one is not the same. Okay, we're going to do one more. Hold on, I can't seem to find the match for it. It fell on the bottom back. Okay. Where is the match for this shape, friends? Can you point to it? Yeah, what shape is it? It's a rectangle. How do we know it's a rectangle? How many sides does it have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 straight sides. It also has what? 1, 2, 3, 4 right angles, right? And yeah, so we know we need something 4 straight sides, 4 right angles. This is a rectangle, right? But it's not a square, friends. Why is it not a square? All the sides are not the same, right? So it's not a square, it's a rectangle because all the sides are not the same. So does this shape work? No, right? They're not the same. We have 1, 2, 3 straight sides. Doesn't work. What about this one? This is where the tricky one is. Does this match? No, right? This is a square. Why though? It has 4 straight sides and 4 right angles, but all the sides are the same, right? So this is a rectangle, not a square. Okay. What shape is this? Does this match? No, this is a circle, right? It just curved sides. Does this match? Yeah, ding, 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 match. Why? Well, this has 1, 2, 3, 4 straight sides and 1, 2, 3, 4 right angles, right? So we know they are a match. Very good job, guys. Okay, so we're going to read a story now that we've gone over all of our shapes. So yesterday we talked about some of the things that are same and some of the things that are going to be different between pre-K and kindergarten, right? Some of the things we know we said we're going to do the same is we're still going to read books. We're still going to get to play on the playgrounds, right? We're going to learn things. They're going to be new things, but you're still going to learn just like we do, okay? And it's still going to be fun, most importantly. But some things are going to be different too, right? We might have some of the friends we have at Baby Steps in our class or in our school, but not everyone, right? We're going to get to make lots of new friends and meet new people. We're also going to get to meet a new awesome teacher, right? Some of my friends said they're going to be taking the bus to school next year, right? Most of us walk or take the car now to get to school. Some of you still might next year, but some of you are also going to be going on the school bus, okay? So that's something that will be different in kindergarten. Another thing that might be different is also what you do in class, okay? Like right now we play with a lot of toys, right, during center time and during the day. Well, instead of doing that, which, because you guys already know how to do that, we don't need to keep teaching you how to do that. You are going to learn new things, like you guys are going to be able to read and write next year, which is pretty cool, right? Can you imagine? Not just like flipping through the book and looking at the pictures, you'll actually be able to read the words on the page next year. And you'll be able to write like I write on the board. Like right now, we've been practicing writing letters. That's something you're still going to do next year, but you're going to start to put those letters into words, okay? So that's something you're going to get to learn next year. And also, you guys are going to get to do some new things like going to gym class, okay, and going to the library and school. So these will all be fun things you get to do next year. So we're going to read another book to learn more about kindergarten. This book is called The 12 Days of Kindergarten. So let's learn what they do. Now, even just looking on the front cover, we see some things that already we see, right? We see the teacher is reading a book, which is something we already do. And this girl is drawing, right? You guys will definitely still get to draw in class. Now, you might actually get to do a little bit more than we even do now because you're going to get to go someplace called art, okay? And in art class, you're going to have a special teacher who's going to teach you how to paint, how to draw, okay? So you're going to be probably even learning how to do more art than we already do now. So let's learn about the 12 days of kindergarten. On the first day of kindergarten, my teacher gave to me the whole alphabet from A to Z. So we know the alphabet now, right? We've been learning about it. You'll continue learning about it next year, and you'll also learn about how to make words with the letters in the alphabet. So one thing I also want to show you guys is if you look here, they have a very similar board to what we have, right? So you might have one next year. You might not, but you might. This classroom does. And also, I want to point out one more thing. Look what this classroom has. We don't have this. You might have it in kindergarten, you might not. This classroom has 2 pet hamsters. You might have one, you might not. Depends on your teacher. On the second day of kindergarten, my teacher gave to me 2 picture books and the whole alphabet from A to Z. So these kids are reading books just like we do. So that's something you'll definitely do in kindergarten next year, is read some books. And again, we could see these kids are drawing, right? We said you'll get to do lots of fun art projects next year, maybe even in an art class. On the third day of kindergarten, my teacher gave to me 3 pencils, 2 picture books, and the whole alphabet from A to Z. So here these kids are writing and drawing with pencils, but uh-oh, what happened here? This kid tripped and spilled paint everywhere. Oh, that's not good. On the 4th day of kindergarten, my teacher gave to me 4 puzzle shapes, 3 pencils, 2 picture books, and the whole alphabet from A to Z. So as you see, these kids are still learning about shapes, right? You're definitely going to learn more about shapes next year, just like we do this year, but you might even learn some new things. On the 5th day of kindergarten, my teacher gave to me 4 gold stars, 4 puzzle shapes, 3 pencils, 2 picture books, and the whole alphabet from A to Z. So here, it looks like they're having a visit from a firefighter. Okay, and they gave this girl some stickers. So you'll probably still get stickers next year, and you might even have some fun people visit your school like this group is doing. Maybe, we'll see. On the 6th day of kindergarten, my teacher gave to me 6 fish for feeding, 5 gold stars, 4 puzzle shapes, 3 pencils, 2 picture books, and the whole alphabet from A to Z. So they have 2 class pets. My goodness, they have fish and hamsters. Now again, you guys might not have one next year, or you might. It's going to depend on your class. On the 7th day of kindergarten, my teacher gave to me 7 stacks for sorting. So like, you know how we have the dot pieces that we use in math, or the teddy bears? Well, you guys are going to get lots of other things to learn to count with next year. Okay, so this girl's stacking them. 6 fish for feeding, 5 gold stars, 4 puzzle shapes, 3 pencils, 2 picture books, and the whole alphabet from A to Z. On the 8th day of kindergarten, my teacher gave to me 8 beads for stringing. So look, they're doing a bead art project. That would be fun. 7 stacks for sorting, 6 fish for feeding, 5 gold stars, 4 puzzle shapes, 3 pencils, 2 picture books, and the whole alphabet from A to Z. But uh-oh, look what happened while they were doing their project. They all got tangled up in the thread. That's a very silly art project. On the 9th day of kindergarten, my teacher gave to me 9 blocks for building. So here's the one thing that their kindergarten is probably going to be different than yours. Like I told you guys, you're not really going to be doing center time like we do now. Like there's not going to be next year in your classic kitchen center and a block center and sand center, okay? Maybe you'll have a couple of those things, but it's certainly not going to be like we have now, okay? You're not going to be playing as much because you're going to be spending so much time learning. So in these kids' class, they definitely have blocks. Maybe you'll have them next year, but probably not. 8 beads for stringing, 7 stacks for sorting, 6 fish for feeding, 5 gold stars, 4 puzzle shapes, 3 pencils, 2 picture books, and the whole alphabet from A to Z. On the 10th day of kindergarten, my teacher gave to me 10 coins for counting. So that is something we certainly haven't done this year that you guys are going to learn about next year. Money, right? We played with money in our kitchen center, but have we learned how to count it? No. And that is super important, right? Because when you go to the store, you certainly want to be able to give them the right amount of money. So that is something these kids are learning that you guys will get to do next year. So 10 coins for counting, 9 blocks for building, 8 beads for stringing, 7 stacks for sorting, 6 fish for feeding, 5 gold stars, 4 puzzle shapes, 3 pencils, 2 picture books, and the whole alphabet from A to Z. On the 11th day of kindergarten, my teacher gave to me 11 seeds for planting. So we did that this year, right? We did a science project about planting seeds. You guys will definitely do lots of science projects next year, probably even more than we did this year. So that's something you're definitely going to get to do. So 11 seeds for planting, 10 coins for counting, 9 blocks for building, 8 beads for stringing, 7 stacks for sorting, 6 fish for feeding, 5 gold stars, 4 puzzle pieces, 3 pencils, 2 picture books, and the whole alphabet from A to Z. Ooh, this is a lot of reading. I want to show you guys something really silly that I noticed is happening in the book. First of all, remember, supposed to be planting seeds. They planted a stuffed animal. It's not going to grow. And look, the hamsters are escaping from their cage. Uh-oh, no one seems to notice. On the 12th day of kindergarten, all right, it's going to be a long one, my teacher gave to me 12 eggs for hatching. So you know how we grew caterpillars this year? Well, they're growing chicks. So again, like I said, lots of science projects for next year. 11 seeds for planting, 10 coins for counting, 9 blocks for building, 8 beads for stringing, 7 stacks for sorting, 6 fish for feeding. Which again, they're still slipping on these beads. They gotta be careful. And look, the hamsters are going all over the classroom. 5 gold stars, 4 puzzle shapes, 3 pencils, 2 picture books, and oh goodness, now the chicks have escaped in this classroom. The hamsters all over the place, the chicks, my goodness, what a mess. And the whole alphabet from A to Z. They wrote, "We love school." So remember, you guys are going to get to learn to write words next year. We love school. They're giving their teacher a big hug. So that is one thing that will not change from this year to next year. School is still going to be fun, and I hope you guys still love school. The end. And here's the hamsters and the chick and the stuffed animal. So we are going to continue to talk more about kindergarten. So I hope you guys are having fun, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.